I need to make it to the zoo. You know, it's such a beautiful place to go, the San Antonio Zoo.
And they're expanding like crazy. They're going to have the gorillas very soon.
Exhibit,
they just had a new area around the giraffes.
Right.
You know, that whole exhibit is new too. So.
It helps when the weather gets a little bit better. So, you know, we have some weather to talk about. And it starts with this right here. The meteor showers that will be visible over these next couple of weeks. Matter of fact, there's several. Here are the two big ones, the Draconids and the Orionids meteor shower. Two different ones. The first one, the Draconids, will be visible between now and about October 10th. You look towards the northern sky and you'll be able to see it. 5 to 10 meteors per hour is the rate for that. And the other one, the Orionids meteor shower, peaks between the 15th and Halloween in the southeastern sky. A little bit more active with that particular meteor shower. It actually originates from Halley's Comet. And you'll be able to see even some through the early part of November, but it's around October 20th and the 21st when that one peaks in our southeastern sky. So something to look forward to. Speaking of skies, it's a partly to mostly cloudy sky over San Antonio right now. Temperature at about 87, feels like 91. Humidity is up off an easterly wind at about 8 to 10 miles an hour, and temperatures across the board are pretty warm. Not out of the ordinary, but for early to mid-October standards, it's pretty warm. 82 at Bernie, 83 at Bulverde, 88 in Stockdale, same thing at Lavernia, Calaveras, Floresville at 88, Pear 8 in Stinson. Very popular number in eastern and southeastern Bexar County and Wilson County. Anything else? 82 in Rock Springs, 83 at Del Rio, pretty warm and a lot of cloud cover. Now at the moment, none of these clouds are generating any rain, but you look farther south, towards Pleasanton and Atascosa County, and even towards like Corpus Christi area, the coastal bend. That's where some of these clouds are enhancing a little bit more. They're building in the atmosphere thanks to heating, and that's where they're dumping some scattered to moderate rain across the area, especially south of San Antonio. We talk about this because this is where our rain chance today and tomorrow is originating. Anything that moves in from the southeast could make it up to I-35 in the San Antonio metro later today. In the meantime, it's warm, mid to upper 80s. There is a cold front draped across North Texas. Behind it, 55. And Amarillo right now, breezy, cloudy, and cool. It feels awesome in the Panhandle at this hour. That will move towards us, but really modify. It's not going to be much of a cold front. It'll just provide a wind shift and lower humidity by tomorrow and Thursday. High temperature of 91 Wednesday, 90 on Thursday. Small chance at some isolated rain. Let's talk about what that looks like very quickly. There's that rain chance through today. Same thing for Wednesday. Just kind of spotty showers in the forecast. Highs in the lower 90s. And really not much of a variety in our forecast. High pressure, our main player. And our next frontal boundary, first October cold front, looks to come in sometime around October 20th. That's what the models are saying right now. Not anytime soon. We're looking at lower 90s in the meantime. Lower 70s to maybe 60s by Friday and Saturday. Again, frontal boundary moves in Wednesday. That'll just drop the humidity and create some cool, comfortable mornings into the weekend. But daytime highs still pretty warm at about 90 degrees, Sarah.